Hello everyone, my name is Lyonia and I am a video blogging instructor at the CODDY School of Programming. Today I'm going to tell you why you should get into video blogging. The first reason is enjoyment. I think that if you're watching this video, it means you want to do video blogging, or at the very least your child wants to get into it. And in this regard, enjoyment really helps from two perspectives. It gives you a good mood while doing video blogging, during endless filming, editing, writing scripts, and so on. And this turns into motivation to keep doing all of it. And I equate that to the fact that in any case it will lead you to success. The second reason is recognition. On YouTube, everything works exactly the same as on television. The more people watch you, the more you get recognized on the street, the more autographs you sign, and the more support you have among the population of the country or the area where you live. This also works to your advantage. For example, if we take various themed events, if you are involved in cosmetics, you will be invited to new cosmetics exhibitions. If you review cars, you will be invited to new car shows. If you are into gaming, you will be invited as a gaming journalist to events related to the gaming industry. In turn, recognition turns into a personal brand. The more loyal your audience is to you, the easier it will be for you to start your own business after your YouTube career. Personal branding works the same way when it comes to monetizing your name. You may be invited to various exhibitions, interviews, and so on for a separate fee according to your price list as a guest star. Since everything in this video is interconnected, after personal branding we move on to earnings. Earnings are divided into several categories. These are revenues from ads, subscriptions, and donations. This is what platforms like YouTube offer us. This includes selling merchandise. Many bloggers, upon reaching a significant number of subscribers, start launching their own online stores with their own branding, which are bought by their fans, subscribers, and viewers. And accordingly, this also includes payment for participating in events, as I mentioned earlier. The next point is useful connections. Useful connections are about building relationships with people from the media space. The media space is not just bloggers, but also various management staff. For example, producers, directors, PR managers, journalists, and so on. You will need to get acquainted with all these people. You will most likely meet them at various exhibitions. On top of that, your favorite bloggers will become your friends, not just your idols. And accordingly, this leads to mutually beneficial cooperation. That is, you will get to know various bloggers with whom you can later record a collaborative video and share your audience with them, and vice versa. And the last point is the ability to work with your audience. This includes public speaking skills, which you develop as you run your video blog, as well as the ability to work in front of the camera. This also includes becoming more relaxed and losing your shyness in front of the camera. On top of that, it's about understanding your audiences. The more you work with people and the more your audience grows, the more often and deeply you have to understand them. And right now I'm not talking about the advertising aspect when working with sponsors. I'm talking simply about a normal human attitude toward your audience, because you need to understand what your audience wants to see in your next video. Well, that's the end of our short video, and now it's the perfect time to tell you what we do in our classes. So, step by step, we record videos, work with video editors, learn to write scripts, and work with lighting and sound. We learn how to work in front of the camera, as I already mentioned in this video. We come up with various interesting ideas for videos, yes, based on the trends that currently exist on the YouTube platform. And in the same way, we learn how to manage our social media and promote our channel and content there. How hashtags work, how promotion systems function, advertising, collaborating with other bloggers, and so on. We explain all of this to you during the lessons.